The most expensive pool a ɛwɔ wiase sisi a ɛwɔ Ghana ha a ɛyɛ pool yi ɛwɔ $58 million abusua. National Cathedral na Nana Akufo-Addo sɛ ɔyɛ no adane swimming pool.
Swimming challenge. Cathedral swimming.
Let's talk GH rumors. And any first time I watch me, I make sure say obe like na face so subscribe e dey ama me no click on notification bell on so say the be am uploading new video bia onsa everything aka. Na yenim say last Tuesday no NDC for organize enough is enough demonstration. Kochichichi nsem bebre bai na activists bia ne din e dey rough. Ekobie National Cathedral no fence na omode afa ho a Dr. Baumia pictures na bobo so no ko bu ye ema NDC fo no ekowura ho na busi omwura ho no cathedral site no adani swimming pool edai ba kumpo esi ho yenhwemra.
You will defend this place. We need to let us see. Defend what? Are you okay with this? Are you okay with this? Say you're more than man. I think we have the career. Any other party, you're dead post me. You're more than. You're more than. And you got to put it say, Monasa Cathedral, and you're more better. I'm sorry. Monasa Cathedral, and you. When you buy this, you go find this something, baby. Forget where you know. Batman, on my mistake, Cathedral, and you. Cathedral, and you. You be at one, or be at the police for my match here. See, I say, oh, my Japan. Now, me, Mr. President in the private man. So I can't find no more side number control. You know, my watching the contract and all. You know, Mua. Hello. $570 million.
River Jordan, River Jordan.
We are right here. And they are saying this in the national category. We are right here.
Swimming challenge. Cathedral swimming.
Most expensive pet in the world, the National Cathedral. And this way now, Akufo-Addo Mako I hear him billions. And then
Ebusia pool ne akɔhwɛ na $58 million a Ghana for invest eno ane yehu no dan ba kumpo ensi ho no mo National Cathedral ho no foundation pe ene wo ho na abrante ya ne din de raf no ono ankasa de ne ho baaye waba be kasa ye ono ode ne sisi ne bo se me ana me bubu fence ni nyina ma ye wura ho na de Ghana for mpanyimfo ye no enye yentie.
And I'm setting this record straight. They can come for me as they wish. I had to break the gate to allow people enter in there to go see what is happening there. because it is hurting that 58 million US dollars has been left in a pit and nobody cares about it. The chief of staff, the speaker of parliament, including all the parliamentarians, they have allowed this to be happening. Is it not the same president that told us that he's going to protect our money? I shall protect the public purse. Is it fellow Ghanaians? Was I the one that said it? Is he protecting the public purse? The public purse is there. Maybe the president has been driving around, and because he's in a tinted, what you call Land Cruiser, he does not see what is happening there. The gate has been opened. He should drive through and go and see what 58 million has been used for. Tell me, if you're a fellow Ghanaian here and you gave your money for somebody to build a project for you, and after 2-4 years you come to the site and see what is there, would you be happy? Come and crucify me for that. I did it not because I'm just trying to be rude or trying to break the law, but I did what I did because I believe I'm a Ghanaian, and it's painful for young people to go to hospitals and they don't have bed, for mothers that are going to give birth for the first time and welcome in a Ghanaian.
Said ye Ralph St. William no or say Ghana ye mpanyimfo no omo de yadwin di agoro nti ono de wagye agina mu se oni Ghana fo mpanyimfo de be sie ni ankasa on fan spell mu na buza wonim se ye Ralph ya sa call site ho less than 24 hours ni affix fence no fence na okobubu no less than 24 hours omo fixe e no na e show wo screen ni so no omo fixe no less than 24 hours na say o chirema ade ehia se omo ye no omo nye egide ehia na bu se ye nya ntie beto dwa se abrantie eye Ralph St. Williams a police for action wabra na wonam kwan so ekotuka international airport no nka okofa flight de abakumase ana police for atso ni mu a
Yes, so fellow Ghanaians, I have been arrested by the police at the airport. No, can I come? No.
You the call. People be watching you. But this time is not the time. You see that people are watching you. You can't say
no. But why? I can't call anybody.
You can call.
No. Hold on.
This is coming. Nana.
No, hold on. What would you? What?
This is coming. You have.
And also na gu ewo screen ni so no ekwan ti ayefa so che ne de ye nya mu details but the enim ne se for now ya che no eno kwa enam so ama eye fix the country for a release statement mo ka say the Ghana police for ye no entwa yi aha let's talk GH rumors so make sure say we leave you comment our comment section ho de amame na busia wo hwe wo screen ni so ho statement bi da so a fix the country for no muna release omo chema omo say Williams ono no omini any harm ne de ne say o kire na dwene oye activist on kura tuo nkura sekan adwenkyere na o kire na say de be ya oman ne ye bekoso enu nti anokoye de oye nti se police for achi na omo ma police sometime omo ndia abrantie no enye saa de omo so ebeye demonstration kasa tese nkofo bebre ede omano ato asem ni mu atese akoye ensem bebre yenim de tipoti ayeche se ye fence na okobubu ye na ono ade ne ho bai se ye ono ne bubu no enu nti na yache na say other things bika ho any update bi aba me de ebeba be sommo aha let's talk GH rumors so and any first time I now subscribe e de amame me ding e de na ekua santoa me da mase